Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can use this hash music player. See here, hash music player. Just now I downloaded from the Play Store. See here. If you want to try this for the first time, you can just open the Play Store and you can search for hash music player. Yeah, see here. Once you download, this is the interface you'll see. Playlist, right? Okay, here just like every other music player, you can create the playlist here. See, these are the multiple playlists which are pre-available. See, I didn't create any playlist, so you can create a new playlist like gym songs, okay, or jogging songs, or melody songs, whatever it may be. And this app is mainly for the internal storage songs, means not the online songs, because I assume you have many songs downloaded on your internal storage. See, at the top you can see songs option. Here it will automatically load all the songs in your, means mp3 files. mp3 files available in your internal storage. If not, you can click on these three bars and you can click on the scan media and it will scan. Okay, and you can filter it by artist or album, means all the folders or the songs what is available, or folders. You can go to your internal storage, then download, then play the songs. Genres wise, okay, coming back. And there is a equalizer also, that is one of the good options. So if you have any idea while playing the song, you can just turn on this and you can just adjust this. So I am offing this because I don't have that much knowledge on the equalizer settings. Okay, coming to the next point, one important what is this, I'll try to play one song but I'll reduce the volume, okay, because due to the copyright issues. So when you're playing the songs, there is an option called lyrics here. If you tap on that lyrics, if the song already has the lyrics, it will show the lyrics also. For now this song doesn't have lyrics, that's the reason it is asking me to just copy this and save it here. But if the song already has the lyrics, it will just show you the lyrics while playing the song. Okay, coming back. Okay, songs, right? Playlist, you can create the playlist, right? I already created gym songs, right? I can now click on the add songs here and I can select songs here, whichever song I like, which are available in my internal folder. Okay, so I selected two songs and added to this playlist. Likewise, I can create another playlist, maybe a walking playlist or something like that. So whenever you need, you can play that particular playlist, which is a very good option here. And this music player has what is this, ads. But even though I tested this, when by turning off the internet also, I tried to play the songs here, so it is playing. See here, it is playing. So internet is not a must, but when you turn on the internet, ads are coming at the bottom. That is what I observed. This is not completely ad free, but if you want to add, you can use this option, remove ads. And one more thing I notice here is, you can just open a song and you can create a ringtone out of this song. You can click on these three dots and set as ringtone. If you use this option, cut and set the ringtone, it will ask you to choose the timings from start timing to end timing. Okay, maybe you can just use this double tap to particular part of the song. Okay, or you can use this timer, maybe 3 seconds I'll use. Okay, so if I click on set a ringtone, I can set to a particular contact, I can set to all the contacts. Likewise, this is one of the unique and good feature which I like very much. And yes, these are the features of this is how you can use this player. And in between the songs, I didn't observe any ads, means the pop-up ads or something like that. But whenever I use these options at the bottom, I have seen the ads. That's it. Maybe once I use it for at least a month, then I can do a review video. If you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.